I'm here in a city in Ohio that was once called Porkopolis. That's because it was the largest pork-producing city in the United States. Well, a lot has changed since the late 1800s, but people still call it Cincinnati. Now, anyhow, in the area that I'm standing in on Vine Street, a few years ago, wasn't doing so well. That's until a group of restaurant rebels decided to move in and open some awesome eateries, starting off with this one right here at Senate.
Got a trailer park and a Korean.
Well, they're known for their hot dogs. I'm having the Hello Kitty dog.
The names are catchy. You can't get them anywhere else.
And the big dog behind it all is chef and owner Daniel Wright, who opened this joint in 2010.
Got a poutine. Basically what we do is gourmet street food.
It's unlike anything you've ever had.
Korean hot dog.
The Korean dog is just a wonderful mixture of so many flavors.
It's a really nice combination that honestly I didn't see coming.
All right, so what are we gonna make first?
We're gonna do some braised short ribs for the Korean hot dog.
Okay, rock and roll.
So we're gonna get our pans hot, hit it with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna take these nice boneless short ribs here.
Look at those.
Season with a little salt and pepper. We are now going to heat our rondeau and place some olive oil in. We're gonna add our mirepoix, our onion, carrots, celery, and a little bit of garlic.
When you say mirepoix, you mean mirepoix.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. A little bit of salt in there to break those onions down.
As soon as these are seared off, drop it in the mirepoix.
Yep. Pour a little bit of that drippings in there. Now I'm gonna deglaze with a little red wine. And I'm gonna pour that right back over our short ribs here.
Then the thyme.
Yep. And we're gonna top it with some house-made demi-glaze. We're gonna put a couple tablespoons of sriracha just right into our braise.
Wrap it.
Yep.
In the oven.
450 degrees for 5 hours.
Dig it. Wow. Doctor? Nice and rich. Smells fantastic.
Don't ruin your appetite.
Do I look like I could happen? Gonna shred it?
Yep.
Gorgeous. What's up next?
We're actually gonna make our kimchi now.
Great.
We have some Napa cabbage that we blanched, and then we have our kimchi base here. There's fermented fish in there, there's tomato, there's red chilies. We're gonna add a little sriracha here, white vinegar, and a little bit of sugar.
You're gonna mix this up. How long are you gonna let this ferment?
At least a month. I mean, when we make
Really?
this, we make giant batches of this.
Okay, so this is done. Next up?
We're gonna take our short rib that we braised, gonna add that to a pan here. Add that braising jus, cook that down a little bit. We're gonna take our bun that we seared off here.
Nice bun, locally.
Yep, we have those made locally. The dogs are actually made locally. That's our recipe. This is gonna be our harissa aioli. Put some of our braised beef short rib. Take our kimchi here. There's the pickled cucumbers. A little bit of toasted sesame seeds.
We've gone from hot dog to dinner.
These are definitely a meal.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you. That's a flavor kaleidoscope. Rich, salty, sweet, tangy, good snap to the dog. The short rib by itself is just dynamite. The cabbage and the slaw and the pickles, all fantastic. This is outstanding.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
The Korean hot dog?
What sells it for me is that kimchi. Kimchi I love right now.
The hot dog is amazing.
Hot dogs are gangster.
They're very good.
It's a winner wiener.
So much more than a hot dog place here at Senate. This place was a catalyst for a lot of the redevelopment that we've seen around the area.
What was this joint before you classed it up?
Nothing. There was absolutely nothing in here. It basically had hit as low as it was gonna go, and the only thing it could do was go up.
I'm not sure that this neighborhood would be a neighborhood without having Dan here in Senate.
It's definitely not just a hot dog place. It's more about a communal restaurant.
Booty and belly.
The booty and the belly, yeah, it's great. You got the sweet and the sour, and who doesn't like pork?
I wouldn't advise picking it up as a sandwich. It requires a fork and knife.
This is the booty and belly sandwich. We are doing a little braised pork belly and a little braised pork butt here.
So these get seared on both sides.
Then we're gonna add that to our caramelized mirepoix.
Okay.
We're gonna deglaze with some Kentucky bourbon ale.
Love it.
Gonna pour it right back over our pork belly and our mirepoix.
And our spice mixture here?
That is a little Szechuan peppercorn.
I love them. Oh, they go crazy on your tongue.
And we got a little cinnamon stick and a little star anise as well.
Love it.
We're gonna add chicken stock, cover it with foil.
Roast off in the oven for how long?
450 for about 4 hours.
I can already smell it. Can't even wait. Let this cool down a little bit. Strain the jus. Okay. Now we can put the sandwich together.
So we're gonna take our pork that we braised, add it in a little pan here, barbecue sauce.
And you make your own barbecue sauce.
We do. Braising jus.
And just let it come together.
Yep, just kind of let it do its thing there. I'm gonna take our nice seared brioche bun for you. You ready for this? Take a little bit of this apple celery root slaw, a little bit of our sauce here. And I'm gonna squeeze 2 of these guys on here.
Flat out ridiculous. What? a new one on Triple D right there. All right, brother, let me tell you. Nothing you do is short on flavor. The pork between the belly and the butt, fatty, tender texture. The barbecue sauce, outrageous, delicious.
Thank you.
It is unexpected and fun.
It's a party in your mouth.
Wow, great food. Really a pleasure.
Thank you. Thanks.